Hello, in front of me I have Garmin Forerunner 745 and I'm gonna show you how to uninstall applications on this watch. First, we need to open the menu on our watch, and you can do it by pressing and holding the up button. After the menu opens, you can use the down button to scroll down through this menu. Scroll down until you select the option called Activities and Apps, and then you can press the start button to enter. Now, scroll down through the list, find the app you want to uninstall, for example, this one. Select the app, and then press the start button. Now, scroll down, select the option called Delete from Device, press the start button, scroll down, select Continue, and press the start button to confirm, and uninstall the application. Like this. If your watch is paired with a phone, you can also use the phone application to uninstall applications from your watch. So, I'm gonna go back to the home screen, move the watch to the side, this to the side, bring the phone, zoom out the camera so you can see the whole screen. Like this. Okay. Wake up the screen on our phone. And of course this phone needs to be paired with your watch through the Garmin Connect application. And once the devices are paired, you can basically use the phone application to uninstall the applications from your watch. To do it, you can open Connect application. In the app, you can tap on the menu icon or more options icon to open the menu. Scroll down, tap on Garmin devices. Select your Forerunner 745 from the list. And here you have the option called Activities and Applications. Tap on it. Tap on Activities and Applications. Scroll through the list, find the application you want to uninstall, press and hold on it, or tap on it, and you should see this menu. And you can tap on the uninstall button, tap on yes, to remove the app from your watch. Okay, if you have the Connect IQ Store application installed on your phone, it's also, or rather you can also uninstall applications through that application. So you can open Connect IQ, tap on My Device, tap on My Device Apps, select the app you want to uninstall, and tap on Uninstall button, like this. Okay, and that's how you uninstall applications on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.